and we're here in Bonton, South Dallas, getting ready for the I Got Your Back community event. And Avondale was so gracious to partner with us to give school supplies for children. So tomorrow, there will be between 400 and 500 kids coming from all over the South Dallas area.
As soon as I heard that this is what y'all were doing, I wanted to join and help out any way I can.
Giving back just feels good, and being able to do it while at work is just awesome.
And it's our heart that every kid goes to school with dignity, that they have no lack as it pertains to school supplies. And so it's really a joy to see the children when they get their school supplies for the start of the new year.
I was one of the kids that received a bag like this when I was little, and so I know the impact it has on little kids when they receive a gift like this. So just being able to be a part of this at this stage is just awesome.
It makes me very happy to work for a company that gives back to the community.
The belief system and the core values at Avondale is something that I love. The culture is just incredible.
I want to say thank you to everyone at Avondale. Thank you so much for partnering with CEOC. It means a lot to me because we are together, giving to those who cannot get it on their own.